Hi, it's Molly with Molly Q Creates and StarryNightCreations.com. So I just got in the new letterpress. These are going to be released on Saturday, June 17th, but I wanted to show you a quick unboxing. I have not opened this up yet, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you how to use it. So it comes in a fairly compact box. And when you open it, you do get the paper that they recommend. You get a plate. You get some of the best ever craft tape. You get one of the black inks. Now they do have a specific ink formulation that they recommend for the BetterPress. Other inks may not adhere as well to the plate, giving you as good a coverage. So they have tested this one and had it specially formulated for the BetterPress, and it is made by Ranger. Okay. So then you get the plate. You get this floral plate, and there are two sayings. The difference is the word favorite and how it is spelled. It says to my favorite person, but favorite is spelled Favorite on one of them, and let's see, Favu, a favorite with the U in it on the other one. So depending upon where you're at and what your preferred spelling of it is, it gives you both options. There's a instruction booklet. Then you have this plate. So we're going to take off this protective coating. And then you have the main piece of it. You do get 3 shims. These are just very thin, flexible plastic pieces. This is your magnetic pad, and then this is your base. So once you get this, you take the base, put in the 3 shims. They fit right in there. And then you put the magnetic plate on top of it. And now you will put your die on here, the plate, and you'll put your paper on here, and you see how it has these marks for the different size papers, A2 and A7, and they perfectly align. I suppose if I do this correctly. Let's see. There, BetterPress. So you have the BetterPress up here on your base, and then on the top plate, and they just snapped into place. And then you can see how the A2 and A7 lines align with the markings on the magnetic plate. So let's open up the plate here. And we are just going to and you see that does stay in place really well. Before I go too far, I'm going to open up the paper. And this is a high cotton content paper. So they have this specially formulated. They've tested out different papers to see which one's going to work the best. And now I'm going to flip this over and going to line this with the A2 guides. Take the craft tape and tape it in place. Okay, so now I'm going to take the plate. And before I get too far with that, you do need a die cutting machine with this. I do have my Spellbinder's Platinum right here. So I'm just going to open this up so it's ready to go. Make a little bit of room here. Okay, so I have the archival ink. And Take the cover off, and now I'm going to do, rearrange that a little bit. I'm just going to do, it's just kind of like a dab and twist. You don't want to swipe it across it. You don't want to get it in all of the nooks and crannies. You just kind of want to do a dab and twist, and you will get it on the magnetic plate, and that's fine. It's not going to affect the performance of anything. And they did make these plates different color than the foil plates on purpose. These plates and the foil plates are a different thickness. So you can use these in your foil machine, but you cannot use the foil machine plates in on the BetterPress. Okay, so got that inked up well. Now for the fun part. So now you take your plate and you just set it right on top, and it snaps. You heard it snap. Now, the thing is, you don't want to touch along the side because this is spring-loaded. So you don't want to grab it and pinch it. It's going to be tempting. You just want to grab it by the handle, by the base, but you don't want to grab it here and pinch it. And you can see there is a gap. So the paper has not touched the plate yet. Okay, so let's move this over. And now you just put it through, roll it through your die cut machine. Okay, and let's clear this out for the big reveal. Okay, I'm just going to lift this up. Wow, and look at that. And now I'm just going to slowly peel this off. And also off of the bottom. So look at that, and you can touch the ink almost immediately, and you can feel that nice crisp impression it made with the ink. Isn't that cool? And wasn't that easy? That was honestly the first time that I opened it up and ran it through the machine. So hope you enjoyed this video and how to use the BetterPress. It really is as easy as they say. Like I said, that was the first time I opened up the box, and I have watched some training videos on it, but that was the first time I used it and ran it through the machine. Now for cleaning this, your plate will get inked up. They will be selling replacement plates, so don't worry about that. As far as your plate goes, you can just wipe it off with a dry cloth. You can also use the archival ink from Ranger. And these are down there good, so you don't want to like drag it across there. So you just want to have something to pry it up. So I'm just going to use my tweezers and get that. Well, I'm going to try to get it pried up. Get it to the edge and then get it lifted up. The Ranger archival ink does work for cleaning these, and that's what they do recommend. I'm also just going to try, I have alcohol, just rubbing alcohol in the bottle, and that also takes it off pretty well. Not completely, but good enough. So hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed the BetterPress. Thank you.